Hello, Rajpal, and I welcome you to TEC, that is TEC for Transform and Empower Through Communication. In this video, I'm going to share with you the seventh word from Dr. Shashi Tharoor's book, Tharoorosaurus, and the word is Contronym. Before it, we have discussed agathocological, apostrophe, heptagram, authorism, brickbat, clack, and now Contronym. So as it is evident from the word itself that it has an element of contradiction. So Dr. Tharoor being confused by two figures in the cartoon, as I have already mentioned it, that this book is written in the format of Vacbtoons, vocabulary through cartoons. The next, it's a noun, a word that can also mean the opposite of itself, a feature more common in English than any Indian language. Uses sanction. We use the word sanction in two senses. One in the sense of getting sanction or imposing sanction. To get a sanction means to get permission to do something, and to impose sanction on something, it means to prohibit something. The most common example of contronym is dusting. We use the word dusting for cleaning. That is diametrically opposite. And the third example is strike. To strike a deal means to finalize a deal, and to strike that line from the record means to eliminate it. So meaning in two things with mere replacement of the word deal and elimination of a line. To table a bill, to put it up for debate in British English. But if you put a bill in US Congress, it means to remove it from debate. Moot point in British English, it's a point worth discussion, and in America, if an issue is moot, it is dead and unnecessary to discuss. The final example of a contronym is usually we call it a day when it's night. So very interesting examples of contronym. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Kindly subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it. Do comment, engage actively in this process of learning. Learning is, our communication skills is not a product, it's a process, and therefore it requires active engagement. So the best way to engage is to engage through your comments and through participation in online events. So after the completion of this book, we are going to have an online session in form of a quiz and something like that. So thank you for watching the video. And if you have not subscribed it, once again, I request you to subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.